today, we're doing a deep dive into Abacus, an AI driven business platform promising to automate processes, forecast trends, and supercharge productivity across marketing, finance, and operations. By end of this review, you'll know what Abacus does, real world results in use cases, pros and cons, how it compares to other AI tools, who should and shouldn't use it. If you're a business owner, manager, or just curious about the AI workplace, this one's for you. Abacus is an end to end AI platform for business that offers tools for forecasting, revenue, demand, churn, etc., anomaly detection for fraud, defects, or performance drops, and personalization and recommendation, product suggestions, content, and pricing. Unlike one off AI APIs, Abacus delivers production ready models, monitoring dashboards, and automated retraining. No data science team required. It integrates cloud data, SQL, or spreadsheets. They claim businesses can cut forecasting time by 80% and reduce anomaly detection time to minutes. Sounds promising, but how does it hold up? Here's how easy setup is. Just sign in. Google SSO gets you in under a minute. Data connection, you can connect a Redshift table with weekly revenue data. Feature selection, the interface auto detects date, columns, and metrics. Model creation, click train forecast, select horizons, example 4 weeks, and you're off. Dashboard, a few minutes later, you get forecast accuracy metrics and confidence bands. Automations, set up schedule retraining or webhook triggers for alerts. No code needed. This is what makes Abacus appealing to non technical business teams. The UI is clean and tooltips guide you step by step. If you've tested Abacus with own sales and data over the past 6 months after training, the 4 week forecast tracked 85% accuracy with confidence intervals accounting for seasonality. I compared with simple regression and profit models built in Python. Abacus had lower MAPE 10% versus 15% and fewer outliers. Weekly retraining captured changes unlike static historical models. The dashboard allows export. I also triggered automated Slack alerts for forecast drift. Forecasting became daily and automatic, no Python scripts, no data ops headache. I could tweak horizons, add cost input, and see the results in minutes. Next, I also tested anomaly detection for website daily visits. I connected Google Analytics data. Abacus detected 3 anomalies. 2 were actually marketing spikes, 1 was a tracking bug. The dashboard summary, root cause suggestion, and alert pulses work well. I set up a Slack webhook, instantly notified on anomalies with timestamp and chart. I caught a tracking error within minutes, time save, and faster debugging. Abacus offers dynamic recommendation systems, giving product suggestions, upsell prompts, or personalized content. You can test it with sample e-commerce data. Users saw recommended products based on behavior signals. The AI improved click-through and the demo by 20% versus static bestsellers. Easy A/B test setup and KPI tracking include. This is more advanced than simple people also bought logic. It adapts over time. The main advantages is no data science needed. Business users can own AI, auto retraining, models stay fresh, multi use cases, forecasting, anomaly detection, personalization in one platform. Shift left, alerts, webhooks, Slack, integration. Scalability for SMBs through enterprise. This is ideal for SAS, fintech, logistics, all needing timely insights without building AI from scratch. It's not perfect. The pricing, it is tiered pricing model with volume-based costs higher than generic analytic tools. Transparency, the black box nature of their AutoML may frustrate technical users. Limited custom feature engineering. Latency, large data sets, 100 M rows took 20 to 30 minutes to retrain. Though scheduled, retraining helps. Dependency, vendor lock-in potential, moving data flow to Avicus pipeline. Now, when you compare it to high touch or segment, those focus on reverse ETL, not prediction. If you compare it to MLflow or SageMaker, those require coders. Abacus is lower code. When you compare it to Tableau or Looker, Lots of historical analysis, but no AI forecasting or anomaly detection. If you compare it to basic Python, powerful but require expertise and maintenance. Pick Abacus if you need frequent, accurate forecast without coding. If you want anomaly alerts built into your everyday tools, you can run digital personalization experiments. Skip it if you're small personal biz with low data volume. You have an in-house data science team already. You need full control of modeling, engineering, and feature design. Before we jump into the final verdict, let's talk about some real-world applications where Abacus.ai is genuinely making a difference. Because that's where productivity gains become real, not just theoretical. Let's say you're in an e-commerce. Abacus AI lets you deploy real-time personalization engines, think dynamic recommendations based on user behavior, pricing models that adjust in real time, or even churn prediction models that can tell you before a customer leaves. These are the kinds of tools that were once limited to massive companies with big AI budgets. Or, if you're in finance, you can use Abacus to build fraud detection pipelines or predictive models for market movements, all with minimal coding. They even offer time series for forecasting out of the box, which is incredibly valuable for inventory management, sales forecasts, or even energy consumption models. And what's cool is that their collaborative notebooks made it easy for data scientists and non tech teams to work side by side. So, if you're a founder, a product manager, or even a marketer with some data chops, Abacus.ai gives you tools to ship and test ideas without waiting weeks for engineering support. That kind of accessibility from data to deployment is a game changer for productivity. AI notebooks are deeply integrated into the entire pipeline, which means your data scientists can run experiments, monitor model drift, and fine tune hyperparameters, all without switching tools. But here's where it really levels up once your team is happy with the model. You can deploy it with a single click as an API, no DevOps bottlenecks, no container setup. Abacus handles the hosting, scaling, and monitoring of those models for you. And they also support edge deployments, so if you need AI running on local devices or within regulated environments, there are options for that too. This is especially powerful for industries like healthcare, fintech, or any enterprise dealing with sensitive data. What's even better is how AI plays nice with your existing stack. You can integrate with data warehouses like Snowflake or BigQuery. Abacus.ai is the most complete no-code AI platform you could test in 2025. It excels at truly automating forecasting, anomaly detection, and recommendations, especially for teams without full data science squads. It's not free, and deep custom modelers may want more transparency, but for SMBs needing fast, accurate AI insight, it hits the mark. That wraps up our honest review of Abacus.ai.